Hey everybody, it's the Vic-E back with another video, and in this video I'm making Cardi B's bedazzled ski mask. But before we get into the video, I'd like to ask you one little thing. Could you please subscribe? I'm trying to reach over 100,000 subscribers by the end of the year, and by you subscribing, you're helping the cause. So please subscribe now. Now on to the video. Okay guys, I saw, now that we're in, COVID times, I saw Cardi B's dope bedazzled ski mask from a few years ago, and I wanted to create, I wanted to buy one if I could, right? But there was really no options to buy it. And the guy who creates it, Bradley Jordan, he's done such a great job. I don't want to take any credit away from him, but these are $1,000 ski masks, and I couldn't afford it even if I wanted to, even if I tried. So I was like, how could I actually make one of these? So in this video, I'm going through the details of how I'm going to try to make one, because even though in my mind I'm a craftstress, in reality I kind of suck. But you get to see me struggle through the process. So first off, I bought this ski mask. The ski mask, right? So it's just a plain stretchy black ski mask. I bought some bedazzled jewels. They're not exactly what I wanted in the beginning, but they're good enough. These bedazzled jewels from Amazon. I'll show you like one close-up one. I'll do my best to be a beauty influencer. Can you guys see it up close? Can you see? Is it focusing? Is it gonna focus on you guys? Is it gonna focus for you guys? Oh, sorry. Is it gonna focus for you guys? Okay, so it's kind of focusing. Anywho's, so yeah, so that's one of the little crystals. They come in different little shapes and sizes. And then I got a glue gun. I haven't had a glue gun in years. I started to get hot and, burn it up. It was a whole thing, a whole system. We'll see how that works out. And then I just have to strategically place these with the glue gun. And you guys will get to see me suffer. If you don't know what ski mask I'm talking about, I'm going to place it here so you guys can get a view of the dopeness of Cardi B and the ski mask and what I'm attempting to try and do. All right, now guys, let's start. Okay guys, let's do this thing. First, I want to do the center. So as you may be able to tell, it's been a while since I started that other video. Obviously my hair has grown a little bit. My makeup looks totally different maybe. I probably had earrings in the other video. And my background, I think I had some filming stuff, and now I have these Marvel books because I'm working on some other videos. But it took me over a month to complete the mask. Plus, I had to keep on buying more and more stones. At the end of the day, I actually spent $50 on the stones. I bought 5 packs, and they each cost $9.99. And then with the mask and the glue gun, it cost altogether around $85, which in comparison to the original mask is a steal. So it was way less than thousands of dollars, even less than $100 to create this mask. So now here we go. Let me just kind of break it down. It took me, when I read the original article, I think it took them almost 24 hours or maybe 2 days to complete complete the mask for Cardi B. For me, it took hours upon hours to complete it, like just trying to get every stone right. There's tons of rough spots that you may not be able to see in camera. I'm not sure how it's actually gonna pick up once I edit it, but you can see like the glue from the glue gun that was pulled. I think if I took a little bit more time and I was a little bit more skilled with the glue gun, it would look way better and be more refined. But it was a fun project. I think one of the hardest things about this is that once you put the stones on, it's kind of like putting on a helmet that is fixed in place. The stretch that you originally had is no longer there. So that's something to be careful of, and maybe to try on a few different times once the glue cools. You don't want it stuck to you. Just to make sure that it could still fit your head, because it obviously would be a tight squeeze otherwise. And you don't want a whole bunch of gems falling off along the way. Otherwise, I actually love this piece. I want to find a way to wear it. I mean, the glue, the little pieces of glue might be annoying, but I'm going to obviously try to pick it off. They give you like a little file and this thing, this like needle thing to kind of fix things with the glue gun. So I'm going to try that and see how that works for me. What do you guys think of the final product? Do you love it? Are you gonna try to create that? I'm gonna list all of the items down below in the description so you guys can try your own. You can try different colors because there's tons of different stones. You don't have to actually glue all of them in because a lot of them have places where you can sew them in. So if you're a little bit more skilled of a seamstress, then that might be an option for you. What would you guys like me to try to recreate next? If you have any other ideas, please share with me below what you want me to create or try to recreate next. Till next time, guys, peace.